For years, Samsung has led the industries with breakthroughs in screen innovations. This year, we are proud to build on our track record with this Neo QLED. Let me see if I can explain the mind-blowing new technology behind it. It all depends on the revolutionary quantum matrix technology, which begins with the quantum mini LED. It's what I'm standing on right now. In reality, it is as small as a grain of sand. Can you see the difference? In fact, it's 1/40th the height of previous LEDs. The reduction is made possible through Samsung's exclusive LED technology. Instead of using a lens to disperse light and a package to fix the LED in place, our quantum mini LED has one incredibly thin microlayer. That means we can fill the screen with more LEDs, a lot more. And when we apply light focusing technology, we can exert ultra-fine and precise control to the densely packed LEDs. This prevents what we call blooming, when brighter areas leak into the darker areas. With quantum matrix technology, the difference is clear, literally. We were also able to increase the luminance scale to 12-bit with 4,096 steps, making dark areas darker and bright areas brighter. In a scene like this, details come to life. Exotic places you have never been to, friendly faces you miss, we will bring them all to you. The radical reduction in LED made way for the slim and sleek Infinity One design. Beautiful from every angle. But these design innovations are about more than aesthetics. They exist to provide you with a dynamic and captivating viewing experience. The bezel is so narrow, it's imperceptible. We also minimized the size of our logo. It's like the Infinity screen floats on air. We are also introducing the attachable slim One Connect box, a simple and elegant solution for multiple inputs and cables. When you turn it on, everything but the content fades away. Total immersion. In an ideal world, we would always get the best possible picture quality, but peak streaming hours and slow internet connections are the reality we face. You know what I mean, who hasn't had lagging issues? Samsung TV offers a solution with the new and improved AI upscaling. It uses deep learning to transform lower resolution content into higher resolutions, up to 8K with greater details. We achieved this through the trailblazing Neo quantum processor. In place of the single neural network, like in previous models, the new processor uses up to 16 different neural networks, each focusing on a specific type of content. Think of it as the difference between one chef versus 16. For example, when you want fettuccine, you would call the chef from Tuscany. In a similar way, our neural networks have expertise in different types of content. Enjoy superior picture quality whenever and whatever you watch. And thanks to this upgraded processor, your TV exerts the perfect control over not only the picture quality, but also the audio system. From 2 center speakers to all 4 corners, it will provide you with the ideal audio experience every time. Object tracking sound uses audio positioning and scene analysis to match the sound effects with the on-screen movement. The new ODS Pro has a 6.2.2 channel audio system, so sound effects travel dynamically from multiple positions and directions. ODS Pro also comes with greater voice clarity. We also developed space-fit sound to refine audio calibrations. No matter where you put your TV, SpaceFit automatically analyzes how the sound travels based on the direction and acoustic characteristics of the room. It then delivers the optimal sounds for your home. When Neo QLED meets the Q series soundbar, it creates Q Symphony, a symphony of harmonious sounds from every direction. It's a new level of acoustic immersion. The technology is complicated, but the goal is simple. We do it for you. So it's only fitting that our product lineup is as diverse as our consumers.